Never ever fertilize these plants. If you do, you might lose them very soon. Let me explain. Plants in shock. When a plant has been moved or faced a sudden change in light, water or temperature, it goes into stress, also called shock. During this time, the roots cannot handle fertilizer. If you feed them now, you only make the stress worse. Wait until you see new growth before adding any fertilizer. Pest-infested plants. If your plant is attacked by mealybugs, spider mites, or other pests, don't fertilize. The pests will also use the extra energy and nutrients. This makes the problem even harder to control. First, get rid of the pests. Then later, you can feed the plant lightly to help it recover. Fungal or rotting plants. If your plant has root rot or fungal spots on the leaves, fertilizer will not help. In fact, it makes the fungi stronger. Because the plant is too weak to absorb nutrients. Treat the disease first. Change the soil. Use fungicide if needed. Only after recovery, start feeding again. Fresh cuttings. A cutting that is just placed in soil or water has no real roots yet. Fertilizer at this stage can burn the tender tissues. What a cutting really needs is humidity, light and time. Once it grows strong roots and new leaves, then and only then, you can start feeding it. Recently repotted plants. After repotting, roots are damaged and sensitive. Fertilizing too soon can cause fertilizer burn. Always give your plant 2 to 3 weeks to adjust. Let the roots heal and settle into the new soil. When you see signs of fresh growth, that's the right time to start feeding again. So never fertilize these plants at the wrong time. Give them care, patience, and the right moment. Share this video with your plant-loving friends. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant care secrets. May your plants always stay green, healthy and full of life.